2025 Land Rover Defender is one of those rare cars that successfully combines rugged off-road capability with luxury and modern technology. Over the years, the Defender has earned a reputation for being a tough, go-anywhere vehicle. Let's dive into what the 2025 Defender has to offer in terms of exterior design, interior features, performance, and pricing. If you are new and still have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new updates. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Land Rover Defender continues the iconic design we've seen in previous models, but with a few tweaks that make it even more refined and purposeful. The body remains square and muscular, staying true to its heritage. The front end features a bold, wide grille, and the round headlights remain as a signature feature. However, the addition of sleek LED light bars gives it a modern touch. Whether you opt for the two-door 90 model or the four-door 110, the Defender is built to stand out and perform. The updated wheel arches, larger tires, and the signature contrasting roof all add to the Defender's tough, ready-for-anything appeal. Inside, the 2025 Defender is a mix of utilitarian design and modern luxury. The cabin is spacious, offering plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The interior quality has taken a significant step up compared to earlier models. The materials are premium, with options for leather upholstery, suede, and even sustainable fabric choices. The dashboard is sleek and minimalist, dominated by a large touchscreen that integrates Land Rover's latest infotainment system. The system is intuitive, responsive, and includes features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a navigation system that includes off-road mapping. The climate control system is user-friendly, with large knobs and switches for ease of use, especially when navigating rough terrain. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Defender delivers exceptional versatility. It's available with a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged four-cylinder engine and a more powerful turbocharged inline-six. The four-cylinder produces around 300 horsepower, while the inline-six bumps that up to 400 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and excellent towing capacity. The Defender's all-wheel drive system, coupled with Land Rover's Terrain Response 2 system, ensures it excels both on and off the road. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling steep inclines in the wilderness, the Defender offers a smooth and controlled ride. For off-roading enthusiasts, the Defender is equipped with air suspension, which can raise or lower the vehicle depending on the terrain. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Defender starts around $55,000 for the base 90 model, with the 110 variant and higher trims going up to $80,000 or more. The price varies depending on the selected options. Overall, the 2025 Land Rover Defender continues to be a standout in the SUV market.